YouTube family. It's your boy Xidane and
Annie from DNA Out and About.
And
today we'll be doing the whisper challenge. But guess what?
I pranked her.
My son just pranked me. Yeah. See?
So correct.
He just pranked me. I'm all wet. Soaked. You'll see that video on his channel. You can subscribe to his channel at Xidane Burey. Xidane
Burey space between.
Right. We'll put the link in the description below. Yeah, so we're gonna start our challenge today, which is the whisper challenge.
You're going first. This is how it's going to be. I'll be turning up the computer loud, and I'll be talking, and she'll try to hear me. So. Oh, where live? Where live? Where live?
Where I live. Where you and Dominic going on Saturday?
Huh?
Where you and Dominic going on Saturday?
Where you and Dominic going Saturday?
No, today. No, you're hearing me.
Can't hear you.
Guys, that not so like.
This time I can't hear you.
So you know what I'm saying? You can't so good.
What?
You can't so good.
Put it way down in my ear so you can't hear.
Alright.
When you're going back on the road?
Start over.
When you're going back on the road? When you're going back on the road?
Yeah, so then you have to speak so I can read your lips.
When you're going back on the road?
When I'm going back on the road.
So two.
Them
no,
too easy.
One.
One. It's 2-1. Yes, 2-1. You did 2. Right. Why didn't you turn off the TV last night?
Huh?
Why didn't you turn off the TV last night?
When Uncle Jug is something like that?
No!
Person.
Why didn't you turn off the TV last night?
When Shavlan something?
No! Why didn't you turn off the TV last night?
When Shavlan done?
No more chance, no more chances.
What is it?
Why didn't you turn off the TV last night? Oh Lord.
When's your birthday? When's your birthday?
When is a birthday?
She got it.
Who's leading?
You.
Me.
By 3.
By 1.
3, 2.
You don't want me, right? Don't pass it to us then. Let me turn it up. I'm not just saying no.
But man, go.
Ready?
Alright.
How many puppies do you have?
How many people what?
No.
Huh?
How many puppies do you have?
How many puppies do you have?
Yeah?
The base high enough? You can barely hear.
If you don't grab me.
I remix it. You want a puppy?
Someone want a puppy? No. How much time is that doing now?
What?
Because I do whisper challenge.
So, 3 we gone and you gone 4. 3 we gone and you gone 4. Wicked and cool now, laugh for the burn of them. Hantang ko nomor 4.
What's the name of the song you're listening to?
Huh?
What's the name of the song that is playing?
What time I go play?
What's the name of the song that is playing?
How many sleep play?
What's the name of the song that is playing?
I give up. Is it?
What's the name of the song that is playing?
Oh, Crocodile Shark.
5-4.
When am I going to get to go back to OGI? When am I going to get back to OGI?
When are you gonna get what?
Back to OGI. When am I going to go back to OGI?
When am I going to go back to OGI? What? One more.
5 that.
5 what?
5 4.
5-4 next. So
no,
one more.
5. Yeah, 5.
5-4. So one more.
Could live 1 more 6 minutes.
What else now? Why did you prank me a while ago?
When am I going back to Ochi Prep?
No. You're talking about to Ochi Prep?
Why, sir?
Put in something you can't wait to take it out for. Why did you prank me a while ago?
Why I want to go back to OGI?
No, that's 2 chances. Why did you prank me a while ago?
Go on again?
Why did you prank me a while ago?
In the middle of Ochi Prep?
No. Why did you prank me a while ago?
Be along right for crocodile shark.
Wait.
Nah, I don't talk to the shark. 15, 16.
Ready?
Do you listen to Skilly Bang?
Hmm?
Do you listen to Skilly Bang? Do you listen to Skilly Bang?
Give up.
Do you listen to Skilly Bang?
Would I never get that? Would I never get that? Would I never ever get that?
That's a nice right away. I stand ready to fight.
What class do you have next?
Huh?
What class do you have next?
What class we have next?
Yes.
Oh.
Ready? She sells.
Rockstone. Boy.
Oh no!
Gone.
Mistake. Oh.
From where life begins and love never ends.
Family where life begins and love never ends. You said family where life begins and love never ends.
How much like?
I don't know.
7.5.
That's 12. What, 2 more? Have you ever eaten rabbit meat?
Huh?
Have you ever eaten rabbit meat?
Every day we come in 6 o'clock.
No.
Every evening we play ball.
No. Have you ever eaten rabbit meat?
Huh?
Have you ever eaten rabbit meat?
Have I ever eaten rabbit meat? Rabbit meat? And that?
You get too much chance. What?
Rabbit, have I ever eaten rabbit meat?
Yes.
Let me curry rabbit already.
You curry?
Yeah,
No.
Warren give me curry.
Who?
Warren. I mean eat jerk. I mean
And
eat
jerk rabbit.
jerk rabbit. You didn't break it that easy entrance. We need everything. Have you ever eaten turtle? Have you ever eaten turtle?
Hmm?
Can you eat turtle?
Have you ever eaten what?
Can you eat turtle?
Let me carry the lips.
Can you eat turtle?
Can you eat what?
Turtle.
Jerk what?
Turtle.
Pork?
Turtle.
Chicken?
Damn up!
What you say?
Can you eat turtle? You can eat turtle?
Hell no, I don't think I would eat that. Other people eat it, but I don't think so.
Ew. Name is Mr. Universe.
Ready? My name is Mr. Universe. My name is Mr. Universe.
Never on PlayStation 4?
No. My name is Mr. Universe.
Huh?
One last try. My name is Mr. Universe.
Pistachio something?
No, sir. My name is Mr. Universe. That's the song that is played.
Mr. Universe.
We finish now.
Yeah, so then I think I should just get prank and everything. And she just win a challenge.
We'll just, of course.
Obviously.
Of course.
So
Always win the challenges them.
peace out.
Team Annie. We're out.
Fresh Prince.